Hello everybody, my name is Jake from Terra 5, and today we are here at the Creekfire Campsite Resort in Savannah, Georgia. What you are seeing now is a view from outside the all-new inTech Terra Oasis travel trailer. In this video, me and my brother will be showing you a tour of this campsite. I hope you enjoy. Starting off at our main area, we have the pools, laundry, bar, and grill. Getting a little closer, we can see that this is a little water playground area. Moving over to the left, we have another pool. This one's a little bit bigger, as you can see. It goes all the way around in a circle. In between the two pools, you can see we have this little fire pit area. This is a very nice place to be at during the night because it gives off a lot of heat. Looking forward, we have this pool and ping pong area along with another pool, which we'll get a closer look at now. Moving forward, we have yet another pool. This pool is heated, along with a hot tub over to the side. Right next to the pool, we have our basketball court and shared tennis court. Moving closer to the entrance of the campsite, we have our playground, along with our main buildings. Here's our lobby and check-in building. When you first enter the campsite, this is where you'll go to get your site number and everything else needed. Right next to our main building, we have the gym, spa, and market. This building will include any essentials that you may need when camping at this campsite. Moving on from our main area, we have just a few of the campsites that you may stay in when you arrive. After moving through all the campsites, you'll find a very small dog park that your dogs can enjoy at this campsite. Now let's move on to the lake sites and cabin. Moving on from our very sad looking dog park, down this road we have some of the lake sites and cabins. Down this road you'll see our lake, restaurant, some more campsites, and some cabins that are available for you to stay at. Here's an example of one of the close lake view campsites. Here are some of the cabins that are available to rent at this campsite, which also give off a great view of the lake. Moving forward, we have our walking trail, but we'll check that out another time. This trail does go all the way around the lake. Moving in the opposite direction, we have our bar and grill, which also gives off a lakeside view. And that concludes the tour. Thank you for watching, and make sure you like, subscribe, and share.